Still watching for free way to use powerful AI model in VS Code? You are probably watching dozens of videos, try different tricks, and ended up with the method that are limited, paid, or simply doesn't work anymore. Well, I found something much better. With a single free NVIDIA API key, you can access more than 75 AI models, including DeepSeek, Kimi, Qwen, Llama, Minimax, and many more. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up, connect it to VS Code, and compare this model live so you can choose the best one for your workflow. Okay, let's start to integrate. First, to create your API key in NVIDIA, you need to create your account here. First, go to the build.nvidia.com and then using your email, you can create your account. There are multiple layers to create account. To make your account secure, it will ask 3-4 layers during creating your account. First, you need to verify with your phone number and some other layer as well. After you have created your account in NVIDIA, then you can easily create your API. Before creating API, I'll show you which model that you are able to use by using NVIDIA API key. Here is the endpoint. I'll show you. I'll apply is the free endpoint. In this today's video, we are going to use only the free model using the NVIDIA API key. Currently, here are 77 free model will be available. Here you can see there are many model are available in free, which are popular. If you can see Qwen model is available. If you can see Nemotron are also available. If you can see Minimax is available. If you are in coding field, then Nemotron, GLM are popular. DeepSeek are also popular. If you are in some other field, then you can use other model as well. Kimi K model is also free, and there are total 77 model are freely available in NVIDIA. By using NVIDIA API key, you can use this all model inside your Visual Studio Code. This is the one most important things. Okay, after you have create your account, then create your API key from here. From here, you can easily create your API key. I'll give my key name called free API, and I will select 1 hour duration. My API key will be expire in 1 hour. If you want to use it for the long time, then and select never expire or 12 months, 6 months is your compatibility. Okay, generate API key. It will start to generate the API key, and here you can see this is the name, this is my API key, and this is the expiration date. After that, my API key is reflected here. Then NVIDIA process is completed. That's much easy, is it? After that, open the Visual Studio Code, and in the extension section, source for NVIDIA name provider, select it and install it. If you are not install it, then install it. Within 2-3 seconds, it will successfully install. After that, open the chat from here, and you can see auto will be available here. Click on this auto section, and here you can see other model. Click on this manage language model icon, then you are landed it here. Before adding NVIDIA API key, it will look like this. Only these 3 model will be available. Okay, then click on this add model, and you can find this NVIDIA name. After you have installing this extension, click on here, then provide the name, provide any name, but NVIDIA name is the suitable name, and hit enter. Then it will ask enter value for API key, enter a valid API key, paste the API key that you have copied from here, and again hit the enter. Then all the model that will provided by NVIDIA will be reflected here. You can easily check it. Every model is available. Qwen model is available here. Nemotron model is available here. And if you can see some other popular model, then Kimi K 2.6 is also available. Then here is the DeepSeek model is available. Minimax is also available. Now you can access this all model from one API key. And I'll mention one things before using it all. This all are the free model. Sometimes some model are very slow and some model are quick. I have already used this model, and I have experienced that some model are very slow and some model response well. Let's start to interact with Kimi. Hi. You can see, and it will respond in 2-3 seconds. It didn't take too much time. Let's try Minimax. You can search it. Minimax 2.7 is available. Let's see how much time it will take. Minimax is also response and quick time. This is the Minimax M 2.7. Minimax 3 is also released 2-3 days ago. Then in my next video I'll show you how you can use Minimax 3 inside your Visual Studio Code, and I'll show you the DeepSeek. Let's try to use DeepSeek. Hi. Sometimes some model didn't respond. I'll mention age and everything. DeepSeek take too much time as compared to the Kimi and Minimax. In some time it didn't respond as well. In peak time it will take some more time as well. That's why try some model and find out which model responds in quick time, then use this model. GLM model is also available. Let's see, does it work or not? Hello, how are you? You can see it will also respond. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? It will also respond. I have demonstrated you by using Kimi, by using Minimax, by using GLM. Okay, by this way you can use many popular models that will be available in current market for free of cost. Okay, currently 77 model will be available here. If you are watching this video sometime later, then and this model will also increase as well. That's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may also consider to subscribe my channel. Okay, that's it for today's video. We'll meet you on the next video. Okay, bye.